Hi, I'm Stephen Power. I've been a professional photographer since the early 1980s, and I've worked for lots of high-level clients, international organizations, books, magazines, newspapers, you name it. And I've taught for the world's largest online photography teaching course. At the moment, I'm running my own photography teaching business, Skellig Ring Photography, formerly Valencia Photography Workshops, and it's obviously impossible to teach people face-to-face at the moment in a live situation. So I'm taking my live photography workshops online. The beginner level workshops will be around getting more control out of your camera, basically understanding the various buttons and controls and settings, things like the exposure settings, how to get the best out of aperture priority or shutter priority, what do they mean and how to use them, and some particular techniques like using depth of field. We'll be looking at composition, like leading lines and rule of thirds, natural frames, that sort of thing, all intended so that you create eye-grabbing photographs. Those of you interested in editing your photographs, I'll be looking at Adobe Photoshop Lightroom and how to get the best of that software. A very important feature is that each workshop will be divided into two, an hour on one day and an hour the following week on the same day at the same time. In the first live workshop, I'll be talking through the theories and techniques, and then in the second live workshop, I'll be looking at photographs that you will have sent me in the previous week and offering constructive feedback. In the description area below this video, you'll see an updated list of the topics of the photography subjects that I will be teaching and the start dates, or TBA if the start date has not been finalized. Also, you'll get my email address, so you can contact me by email to sign up or ask more questions about the workshops. Please also let me know in the comments if there's a particular topic that you are interested in learning, and I can also offer workshops to small groups of people, such as camera clubs and groups of friends that might want to come together. Times are also flexible, so if you can't make a particular time for a workshop, let me know what works best for you and I'll see if I can accommodate you. I am trying to have a small minimum number of attendees to make it viable, but also capping the maximum number to around 10 to give you the best learning experience. So what are you waiting for? Come to Skellig Ring Photography Workshops, at least virtually for now, and I look forward to seeing you and teaching you photography very soon.